Auto support's ruining your prints? What if I told you it only takes a few steps to go from this to this? Have you ever printed a model only to find supports in places that just don't need them? Like these holes? So, to fix this, just follow a few steps with the tools in Elegoo Slicer. First, load your model into Elegoo Slicer. At the top toolbar, you'll find support painting. This is your way to tell the slicer exactly where to add supports and where to stay away from. So here's how it works. Right-click to block supports. Paint over the parts you don't need. Left-click to enforce supports. Just brush over the areas that need them. And if you want a faster way, use support blockers and enforcers to control large areas. Just right-click to add a blocker and move it over the problem area. From there, you can easily drag it around, resize it, and rotate it however you like. Once it's in place, just hit slice. Support's gone. Here's what a real print looks like before and after using support control. Same model, but with more efficient support placement. Less filament, faster cleanup, and better detail. All thanks to just a few minutes of manual adjustment in Elegoo Slicer. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like, share your tips in the comments, and subscribe for more 3D printing tutorials, tips, and projects coming your way.
Elegoo.